Welcome back, everybody. Today we'll do a quick review of this USB powered soldering iron from Banggood.com. Now, I've had this for quite a while and actually did most of the video for it. Unfortunately, I used my old camera and it lost focus a lot, so we'll try and redo this quickly. So, in the package, you got a little stand, a little bit of solder, a USB cable to, it looks like a 1/8 inch stereo jack, and then you get this little soldering iron. It comes with a little cap and a removable end. Now, this, you may notice there's no buttons on this. There's actually two different controls in it. This is a capacitive sense button that you can use to turn it on, and there's also a vibration sensor in it. So if you notice it's starting to die out when you're using it, it will restart if you shake it. So it's like a motion detection. It is able to be powered off of your laptop. I've used it several times that way, but just because of where my laptop's sitting, what I'm going to use is this little 5-volt power bank, and that's what we'll use for powering it. Found that to be fairly convenient. All right, so there is a light that comes on in this area. So get ready to plug it in, and we'll hit start. We'll see how long it takes to heat up. So you can see there's the red light. Just test it with some solder. It's supposed to heat up very quickly. It is minus 13 outside right now, so it may take a while. I can already see some smoke, and there it is, hot. Just like that. Okay, so it's very hot. As you can see here, it is a very fine tip. I've used it for soldering some TSOP packages onto a dip carrier board. Like I said, if you leave it for a little while, it will shut itself off. Grab this sponge here. It will shut itself off, and then shaking it or touching that button again will start it up. Banggood is offering the affiliate status, which means that if you purchase it with the affiliate link, it doesn't cost you anymore, but I end up with a little bit of money back from it. It's only a couple of cents, but it does help support the channel. So I'd appreciate it if you use that. I'm going to be doing that for any of the things that I buy from Banggood. I'll be putting up an affiliate link. Things that people send me to review, I'm not going to use an affiliate link because I've already received the product for free. That way there I can try and keep the intellectual honesty up. So you can see now the light's gone out. If you shake it, it'll turn back on. Same thing if you touch the button. So overall, for this size solder iron and for doing basic electronics work, not electrical work, but just electronic work, I find this to be one of the best deals. So there you go, a little USB powered soldering iron. Great for doing surface mount soldering, drag soldering, and your basic electronics work.